Remember learning to ride a bike? It took time, practice, and maybe a few scrapes. Teaching a computer is similar. We call it training an AI model. Imagine the model as a student eager to learn. We don't give the AI a textbook, though. Instead, we feed it tons of data, like showing thousands of bike riding videos. The AI studies these examples, finding patterns and connections. Just like we learn best from experience, so do AI models. The more data, the better they understand. And just like a good teacher guides a student, we need to guide the AI's learning process carefully. This ensures the AI learns the right lessons and becomes useful in the real world. It's a journey of discovery for both the AI and the humans guiding its progress.
So how do we actually an AI? Think of it like baking a cake. We need ingredients, data, a recipe, algorithm, and an oven, computing power to put it all together. The data is crucial. It could be anything, images, text, numbers, you name it. The algorithm is like a set of instructions that tells the AI how to learn from this data. Imagine trying to bake a cake without a recipe. The algorithm provides structure and guidance. Finally, we need computing power to handle all this information. Just as a powerful oven bakes faster, strong computers speed up the AI's learning. With these ingredients combined, the AI model can begin to learn and improve its performance over time.
Now imagine a student acing all their homework but bombing the test. This means they haven't truly learned the material, only memorized the answers. Similarly, we need to make sure our AI model isn't just memorizing the data we showed it. This is where comes in. We test the AI on a separate data set it hasn't seen before. Think of it as a pop quiz. This helps us see if the AI can generalize its learning to new situations. If it performs well, great. If not, we need to go back, adjust the recipe, and try again. Validation ensures our AI model is truly intelligent and can handle real-world challenges, not just textbook examples.
Let's break down the AI training process into simple steps. First, we gather lots of relevant data like collecting ingredients for our cake. Then comes pre-processing, cleaning and organizing the data just like a chef preps their ingredients before baking. Next, we split the data into two groups, one for training and one for validation. This is like tasting the cake batter before baking the whole thing. Now the actual training begins. We feed the training data to our AI model and it starts learning, adjusting its internal parameters to improve its performance. Think of it as the cake baking in the oven, transforming with time. Once trained, we test it on the validation data. This tells us if our AI is ready for the real world or needs further adjustments. It's like checking if the cake is baked perfectly or needs more time in the oven.